thing we have to discuss for SMCI, guys. 2% up with 2 million worth of volume. The good thing is we reversed from the last support that we discussed yesterday over almost the $30 before the earnings, as we said. We got now not 1 week, but 6 days left for the earnings. So we might have a preparation for a squeeze for SMCI. So before we go further, remember our content here for education purposes only. So we got a reversal. Yesterday we discussed SMCI at the market open. As you see here, we have a big buyer reversal and we got reversal up. Today we got a gap and there's someone added again around the 3140. However, we need the confirmation for a big buyer, not normal buyer, is by breaking the 3362. As you see here, we got almost just 7% to confirm this reversal. So we're not that far from this reversal, and we're not that far from the earning next Tuesday or 6 days apart from the major earnings that might switch the bearish side that started from the last year and go on the bullish side for Beyond Meat. So now the 3362 is where the short seller have to cover, which is almost 7% around this level. And then the almost, let's see how much we can do if we jump to 30%, 15%. So the first level, 15, 30% for Beyond Meat in order to have a reversal. But watch out, guys, because every time the short seller adding around this white line, which is a current resistant, which is the short adding their position and lowering the price down. Because if we jumped and tested again, we don't react without breakout is me, we're gonna go toward the 25 this time. So now this is the turning point actually, because a lot of stocks, if they're struggling to reverse, the only thing that will help them out to go up is major news, and the earnings is considering a major news affect the price in a few minutes. If we have a really good earnings, this is might change the perspective from bearish to bullish side for SMCI. And 6 days we might have a bullish reversal before even the earnings if we got some news going on or even rumors that the earnings is good.